Hello and thank you for tuning in. Today we have a beautiful Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special up for sale. For the full information on this motorcycle, please check out our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500. Use extension 112. Ask for John or Dave. Denim black paint. There are 21,019 miles on the odometer. Tons of upgrades on this motorcycle. Bike looks great, sounds fantastic, gobs of power. Really nice setup. In case you missed it, again, our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500, extension 112. Thanks for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.